Hey y'all, it's been a minute, but today we are finally back with another video sharing with you every single fragrance I wore over the past week. If you're interested, then just keep watching. Before we get into the video, I do want to quickly introduce myself for those of you who may be new here. My name is Aisha. I make videos about fragrance, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If those are things you're interested in, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you've never seen one of these videos from me, it is a series that I do every few weeks where I come on vlog style and give you guys a rundown of every single fragrance that I'm wearing for that week. So when I say vlog style, I mean I do it in the moment when I'm wearing it, tell you why I'm spraying it. They're very casual videos, hence no makeup. So I really like to keep it that way just to make it feel a lot more natural. It's not a production. This is just, you know, what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this week's fragrances. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So we are starting out this week by wearing Rolling in Love by Kilian. This is a beautiful milky almond floral. If you guys have been around a while, you may know that this is a new bottle for me. So yeah, we're hoping that this works this time around. But anyway, I picked this one out because I'm getting ready to go to church, and I just feel like this is very nice for church. I mean, some people call it a sexy scent, but overall I think it's quite elegant. I can see how it could be like elegantly sexy, but to me, this is more of an elegant, pretty girl type scent. So that's why I chose it. So this is what I am wearing for today. Hey y'all, it's Sunday night, and tonight I started out by using this body butter, if I can find it. There we go. It's the Fenty Skin Shimmering Body Butter. This is the new limited edition one. It literally smells like snickerdoodle cookies. It's sweet like a cookie, has a little bit of spice to it, like kitchen spices, like cinnamon, I think. Really delicious smelling. The shimmer in it is not too much. I don't know if you all can see that on my arm, but it's a little bit of shimmer. So I started out by applying this, and then on top I am wearing Kayali Invite Only. I haven't worn this in a while, so I actually put it on my fragrance tray for this week. And this is a sweet, it smells boozy to me, but there is no boozy note in here. But to me, what I smell is like a sweet, boozy tobacco scent that has cinnamon in it as well. I think cinnamon is the note, but it smells like cinnamon. And so I figured these would pair well together, and it definitely made this more gourmand. This is more of a spicy scent. I wouldn't necessarily classify this as a gourmand, but mixed with this body butter, I definitely think it leans a little bit more gourmand now. So anyway, this is what I'm wearing tonight. Never did this pairing before, but I am liking it thus far. Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. I almost forgot to film this morning. However, I brought my fragrance with me. I'm on my way to work, so that worked out. But today, my fragrance of the day is Initio Paragon. This is a new fragrance. Hopefully, by the time you're watching this video, you would have already seen my review on this fragrance. But anyway, I picked this today because I haven't actually worn it around people. I've worn it a lot at this point where I'm filming this. Like, I've worn it probably at least like 8 times, somewhere between 6 and 8 times, but I haven't really worn it around people, so I wanted to see how my coworkers react to it. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing it today. If you want to know more about this fragrance, definitely check out my video that should already be posted. I'll link it for you all. So this is what I'm wearing for this Monday at work. Hey y'all, it is Monday night, and I just took a shower. Tonight I am wearing Place des Lises Vanille. Hopefully I pronounced that somewhat correctly, but this is actually my first time wearing this fragrance. This is a new one to my collection, but this is a kind of cake batter smelling vanilla, so it smells like a light vanilla fluffy cake batter with some like lemon, possibly other fruits mixed in, but I think lemon is a fruit that comes to my mind when I smell this. It's really beautiful and soft. Again, this is my first time wearing it, so don't have much more than that for it. But I'm glad I chose it because I'm really tired, and this just feels really cozy and comforting, and it's not too much for bedtime. So this is what I'm wearing for tonight. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. I am getting ready to go to an appointment, and today I'm wearing Wet Cherry Liquor by Boho Boko. This is probably not the best choice for this, but I wanted to wear it. But anyway, this is a syrupy sweet cherry that I'm not going to say much more about because I will be talking about this in an upcoming video. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, and I wanted to be honest with y'all. I didn't want to talk about it, but I really wanted to wear it. So I wanted to be honest with y'all about what I was wearing, but we're not going to really talk about the scent in this video. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's Tuesday night, and tonight I'm wearing Noir et Squeeze by L'Artisan Parfumer. This fragrance is nutty. It's a little bit sweet, but it's not too heavy, and it smells a little bit woody as well. It honestly reminds me of Replica by the Fireplace, but it's a much less intense version of that, not as smoky, easier to wear. I can actually wear this during the daytime even if it's not cold outside, but I still prefer to wear this during the fall because I just feel like it smells like fall to me, and I haven't worn it in a while, so I just picked this tonight. Just randomly thought about it while I was taking my shower and decided to wear this baby. So this is what I'm wearing for tonight. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So today I'm wearing Lalique Le Parfum. This is my first time wearing this in a while, but I think it's a vanilla tonka bean mixture, but it also has a bay leaf in there that really makes it different, gives it like an herbal touch. There's some definite greenness to this fragrance. It is not super sweet. It's kind of spicy and it's quite unique. I really like this fragrance. I haven't worn it in a while, but I picked this today. It was on my fragrance tray because I've been wanting to wear it. And I figured today would be a good day because it is windy and it's not cold, but it is a little bit cooler than normal. No sun, gloomy day. So I figured this would be a great day to wear a fragrance like this. So this is what I'm wearing for today. Hey y'all, it's Wednesday night, and tonight I'm wearing Moschino Toy 2 Bubblegum. This is a fun bubblegum scented fragrance. It smells like bubblegum at first, like old school bubblegum, and then it kind of dries down into this, I think it's rose and cedar mix, which I actually still really like. I do wish the bubblegum opening stayed around a little bit longer, because for me it only lasts probably maybe like an hour or so. I don't really know for sure, but it doesn't last that long. But I do really like the dry down as well, so I'm okay with it. I think if the bubblegum stuck around the entire time, it would probably be too much. So I get it. But yeah, I like this. I chose to wear this tonight just because I wanted something really fun to wear. I didn't really know what I wanted to wear. So while I was in the shower, I was just thinking about what can I wear that's fun and not too much, and came up with this bad boy. So this is what I'm wearing for tonight. Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. Today I am wearing Madeline by Mask Milano. Today is a very rainy day. It's actually like a tropical storm out in not necessarily our area, but we're getting like outside wind and rain. So kids are out of school today. Husband had to work, but I'm home with the kids, so we're just like in the house. It's rainy, it's gloomy. And so I picked this fragrance because I think it's perfect for that type of day. So this is a gourmand fragrance, but it's more of a dry gourmand. So to me, it smells like what I imagine a French bakery to smell like. Reminds me of like almond biscotti. I don't think almond is the note in here. I think it's actually like chestnut, I believe. But to me, it smells like almond biscotti. So it's a little sweet. It smells like a dessert, but it's not decadent. It's more of a dry dessert. Hopefully that makes sense. But anyway, this is what I am wearing for today. Hey y'all, it's Thursday night. So tonight I showered and then I applied this body butter. This is the Real Zing Body Sorbet from Soap and Glory. This is a very bright citrus lotion. You see it has neroli, lemon, and lime, and I definitely get the lemon and lime. I guess I could see the neroli too, but to me it smells just like a very strong lemon lime type scent. It's very zingy, not sweet, but it smells really good. So I started out by applying this, and then on top of it, I went in with Place des Lys Vanille. Again, this is the second time I've worn this week, so we're not gonna get into it, but just to remind you, it's a lemony vanilla. So yeah, I felt like wearing it again, so that's what I did. And I decided to do that because I want these videos to be like an honest depiction of what I wear during the week. So you may see that some days I'm testing stuff and that's why I wear it, and then some days I want to wear something twice in 1 week, even though I got a huge collection. So that's what I do. So that's why I wore it, instead of forcing myself to choose something different. So hope you guys appreciate that. But anyway, this is my little fragrance combo for tonight, and they are working very well together. Hey y'all, happy Friday. So today I am wearing Vanilla Diorama by Dior. It's been a while since I wore this. I just sprayed it on and I'm like, oh my gosh, this thing smells so good. I have been neglecting this baby, but not no more, okay? Anyway, this is a beautiful vanilla scent. To me, it is a bit of a spicy vanilla, also a bit of a kind of smells slightly boozy, slightly smoky vanilla, but not too much. And then the thing that really makes it stand out is this beautiful orange scent to it as well. So it's like a citrusy, but orange, definitely orange vanilla. I love this one. It's not extremely sweet, but it is a little bit sweet. But I wouldn't necessarily call this like a toothachingly sweet vanilla fragrance, but I still would classify it kind of as a gourmand fragrance. But anyway, I'm wearing this today because I didn't know what I wanted to wear. So in the shower, I just thought about this one. I was like, I'm gonna wear that today. So no rhyme or reason today, but this is my fragrance. Hey y'all, it's Friday night, getting ready to go watch a movie with my husband. So tonight I started out by applying this Smoothie Star body buttercream. This is a delicious almond pistachio body butter that just smells like it should be eaten. It's so good. So I started out by applying this, and I honestly didn't know what fragrance I was going to put on top of it, but last minute I just made a decision. So I did that body cream, and then I went in with this. This is Reminiscence Dragée. This is a like almond candy scent, but to me, it's a bit of a disappointment. However, it was so inexpensive that it's not worth it for me to sell it. So I just still keep it and I use it for layering. So I went ahead and put this on. It's just like a sweet almond candy type scent. And then on top of that, I put Love Fest Burning Cherry, which I have done a review on this. And again, to me, this fragrance leaves something to be desired. And so I have worn it since I reviewed it, but I've only really worn it to bed, and I've worn it also layered with the vanilla fragrance from this line, which I really do like. So yeah, I'm layering these two fragrances tonight, and it does smell quite edible right now. Is it the best combo ever? Like, is it making me like really love this fragrance? I can't really say that yet. I just sprayed it on. Once it kind of meshes with my body chemistry, we'll see if it just is amazing. But so far, it's just, I like it, not crazy. Like, I'm not 100% crazy about it, but I do enjoy the way I'm smelling right now. So anyway, this is what I'm wearing for tonight. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So today I am wearing Essential Parfums Divine Vanille. This is a little bit of a spicy vanilla, but kind of has like an aromatic feel to it as well. I haven't worn this in a while, and honestly, I kind of feel like I wish I would have chose something else. Today it is not hot, but it's not cold either. It's kind of like in that mid-range, so I think it's like 70 degrees outside right now, and it's gloomy and kind of still wet outside. So I kind of feel like I would have went with something a little bit more cozy, but here we are. I don't want to spray anything on top of it, so this is what I'm wearing. Don't think it was my best choice. But we'll see how it wears. I like this scent, but for some reason when I sprayed it on today, I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. I am kind of in a weird mood today though, a little bit down, and so maybe that's why. Maybe it's just my mood and my outlook right now, so I'm probably the problem. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing today. Hey y'all, it's Saturday evening and I'm getting ready to go to dinner and then go to the tree lighting little ceremony with my family. So I went ahead and sprayed on 100 Silent Waves. My other fragrance are pretty much worn off for the day, so I went ahead and applied this because I just didn't feel like wearing that other fragrance again. So this is a beautiful kind of fruity floral vanilla scent. I think peach is one of the fruits in here. That's what it smells like to me anyway. And I think tuberose is one of the flowers. And yeah, it's just very pleasant smelling, very alluring, and sweet, but not overly so. So anyway, this is not a review, guys. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing for this evening. Hey y'all, it's Saturday night. I just took a shower, and tonight I'm wearing Lipstick On by Replica. I feel like I talk about this in every single one of these videos, so we're not gonna spend any time, but this is like a go-to bedtime scent when I don't know what I want to wear. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing tonight. So those were the fragrances that I wore over the past week. At this point in the video, I will be talking about 3 standout fragrances from the past week. Keep in mind, when I filmed this portion of the video, it is Saturday afternoon. So I don't know what I'm wearing Saturday night. So I can't include that as far as standouts, but I'm sure whatever I chose is good, okay? So anyway, the first standout fragrance that I have for this week is Madeline from Mas Milano. So this is that almond biscotti fragrance. I know almond is not a note in here. I think it's hazelnut or chestnut, but it's a nutty biscotti type fragrance. I wore this, I think on the day that we were home for the hurricane. I don't remember, but it was perfect for whatever day I wore it for. It's just very cozy, but still delicious smelling and not too much. Very sophisticated gourmand scent. So this is definitely the first standout for the week. The second standout fragrance was Vanille from Place des Lys. And the reason I chose this one as a standout is because I actually reached for it twice this week. Now this is a newer fragrance to me, but I still reached for it twice. I feel like it's saying a lot. It's just so comforting. This is like a very fluffy, lemony vanilla fragrance. And I just really enjoy wearing this fragrance. Do I think it's like a groundbreaking fragrance? No, but I've been enjoying it. I love it. I'm glad that I got this into my collection. And then the third standout fragrance this week is Dior Vanilla Diorama. And I picked this one as a standout because it had been a while since I wore it. And I think y'all kind of saw my reaction on it, but it smells so good. It smells so good. It performed so well that day that I was wearing it. It was, on the day that I wore it, it was not cold, but it wasn't extremely hot. We had a little bit of a breeze, and this just worked out perfectly. It wasn't overpowering, but I smelled it on myself while I was out and about doing the things that I needed to do, and thoroughly enjoyed wearing this and cannot wait to reach for it more in the upcoming months. So that's it for this week. Let me know in the comments down below, what was a fragrance that stood out to you over the past week that you wore, whether that be good or bad? Let us know so we can chit chat in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out my playlist. I will link it for you guys here. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Make sure your notification bell's on so that you don't miss a video from me. I typically upload 3 times a week, so you do not want to miss out. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me over there. And I'm not sharing my scents of the day here on YouTube. I'm typically sharing them over there on Instagram. So definitely check me out over there. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.